Still using basic car phone mounts? Let's compare your options. Regular mounts, plastic, weak magnets, slow charging, unstable in heat. LISEN Magsafe, all metal, super strong magnets. 15 W fast wireless charging. Standard holders slip on bumpy roads or overheat in sunlight. LISEN zinc alloy body resists scratches, heat, and stays firmly in place. Most mounts can't hold heavy phones. Devices often fall mid-drive. LISEN's magnetic force supports up to 12 iPhone 16 Pro Max units securely. Typical adhesives weaken over time or in extreme temperatures. LISEN's Nano 3M adhesive holds strong at 122 degrees and 442 degrees, lab tested. Other mounts may interfere with signals or lack safety certifications. LISEN is SGS, ROHS, and CP65 certified, safe, reliable, and signal-friendly. Upgrade to LISEN for Magsafe. Enjoy secure, fast charging every drive. Buy now!